All right, Keith, go ahead and do your thing because I'm ready for a nap after today's weather.
Yeah, no, that's fair. That's fair. It's you only get 3 minutes for a nap, so I don't know if that's going to get it done for you. I can dad nap in 10 minutes, but 3's a little tight. We've got periods of rain still out there and some heavier downpours. Checking some of the webcams in the mountains. There's largely rain mixing a little bit with a couple of snowflakes, but it is largely has changed over except for north of Greenville there. And then we have a break and another round that will come in later on this evening. Temperatures squarely in the mid-40s along the coast, upper 30s elsewhere, and that's warm enough in this scenario where the mid-levels are warm to give us all rain. You can have 38 and snow, but this is not that scenario. So rain continues over the next few hours, a bit of a break, and then the second round comes through about 9, 10 o'clock tonight. After that, we clear out. Tomorrow is a much nicer day. Temperatures into the mid-40s. I think there'll be some upper 40s over southern and western Maine. Mountains will stay in the 30s, try to recover from our storm today and tonight. And there's a lot of sunshine, especially along the coastline. I think it's a nice day. We start that way on Saturday, too, with sun, but clouds come in from southwest and northeast. Here we're at noon, and you just start to see the leading edge of our storm system for Saturday night. The more I look at this, the more I don't think we're going to see a ton of snow in a lot of spots here because these temperatures are just too warm and the mid-levels aren't a whole lot better. So especially along the coast, we may start as snow and then get over to some sleet here and eventually probably change over to rain, especially over southern coastal Maine into the mid-coast. Inland it is snowing through the night, but how effective it is remains to be seen because those temperatures are in the mid-30s in a lot of cases as well. We do better in the mountains and foothills as far as accumulation in northern Maine. We have some rain and snow showers to start the day on Sunday, and then we clear out on Sunday afternoon into the upper 40s to near 50s, so we'll be melting some snow. So all of this kind of got pushed back to the northwest because it just looks too warm here. So coating to an inch along the coast, 1 to 3 inches of slush, Bangor, Lewiston, Augusta, down to Sebago, and then 3 to 6 foothills, mountains, northern Maine. 6, 7 possible in the high terrain. We're talking the highest part of ski areas with anything over 6 inches. That storm for mid next week at this point out to sea, which is interesting because they were all locked in on that. That's kind of unusual to have the major models all agree on a storm and then all get rid of it. So that's me saying I'm not sure it's gone yet. So we'll just wait. But again, this weekend's not a big deal. If you're traveling overnight Saturday, yeah, maybe a little dicey, but I'll tell you what, we're going to be about 40 during the day. There probably won't be many hours that will be tough travel-wise. It might be literally just like 1 to 3 in the morning or something. So you could probably easily avoid that. And then on the backside, it melts a lot of it Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Good news.
Right. Thanks, Keith.